Yeah.
Right here, batting practice with my kids. Oh, that's weak.
The heck?
Damn. Ready? Yeah. Thanks. How many more? Couple? Yeah. How would you go for that? Probably got.
Yeah.
Opposite field.
Daddy, how do you get that white ball? Shut up.
I had little team I play with. Oh yeah, baby, come on. Come on. Hey, you missed it.
I saw it. I saw the ball.
What was that, 300? Oh my god. Come on.
That's 257.
Oh, okay.
Okay. This is 300.
Oh, baby. Couple more?
Last one in there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, ball there.
One more. Oh, two more? Two more.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Watch the ball, right?
Okay.
Watch the ball. One more. Slow, do it slow. Ready? Come on. Do it. Hey, I don't want me to get over the fence again.
Yeah, because it's shy.
Throwing bad
Yeah,
pitches
at
to
least I
me.
can hit the ball.
Come on.
You dumb, bro.
Come on. Oh. I farted on that one.
That's disgusting.
That's one.
Okay.
That's one, baby. Go. Oh, that was nice.
Good.
Daddy, why come and bring her at force?
Put it, alright? Do it. Come on, right here. To the line.
What?
Watch Big Poppy hit. Oh, damn it!
Yeah, that's a good fucking hit.
Big Poppy never hit at that.
That's it. Cut.